We going to the gym. I want to know why she don't got the door unlocked. While I'm coming, who you think you are?
4, 3, 2, 1.
I went to the dentist earlier and I got no cavities, but I had to take out all my wisdom teeth. Like good. All of them. What you mean good? It's painful.
Okay, and?
You just like me being in pain, huh? Yeah. Like, do y'all get the toothbrush? Cause I'm like waiting, cause I'm like, I don't wanna buy one. Yeah. So I'm like expecting it and I'm like, where's my toothbrush at? And they're like, we don't give it up. What you mean? I waited a whole 6 months to get a new toothbrush. Is that like unsanitary? Like waiting 6 months?
No, I think it's like every year you have to change your.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Stay by the fire at night. Somebody said that's what I
I guess someone sensitive.
But you can't flip the camera once we're already recording?
I want to know. A whole locker for my keys.
So I was getting out the car, literally like getting out, and I whistled, but I was whistling like just a whistle. I was like, and then the guy parked next to me, he looked at me like you talking to me, and I was like, sorry, that wasn't too, like really.
And
awkward.
I'm like, I want to know.
Water?
Ah! I left it in the car.
Stupid, you wanna go get it?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. 1 dies. That's it. You're done.
How we feel? You better eat that ish.
She didn't eat it, so I ate it for her. I just saw something. I just saw something. I got some new ringtones. This is what my mom called me.
You got a call from mama. You got a call from mama. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone.
Dad calls me.
It's your time. Pick up the phone. Don't wait too long. You'll get a heart attack. He got news. Don't get confused. So don't believe it now. Hanging around. You'll come back.
And then when Tiffany calls me, it's Sailor Moon. And then when anybody calls me, it's like Tokyo Ghoul, like the opening song for the anime. It's supposed to be intense, but I couldn't find like the original, so I just got this one.
This guy.
Stay in school! They say you should eat well, and it's like, this is a pet store. Like, I'm gonna eat the pets or something. Leo. Hi, Leo. You're so cute. We just breaking rules up in here.
Okay.
She didn't see that.
It's a guinea pig.
Hillers. You $50? Boy. He just drinking, sipping on my juice, sipping. Is that Celsius? You better not touch me. I'm like, this is some ridiculousness. Like, why don't you?
So we went to Walmart and we got new stuff because we needed it.
What?
So that's the end of our video, huh? That's the end.
If you like. If you don't like, well, like anyway.
But you best to subscribe and like, because you gonna see more.
Bye.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Girl. Oh my god, it's like really in there.